Join me as I take on the challenge of figuring out which is truly the best boiler for my home, a combi boiler or a system boiler. Today, we're comparing combi boilers and system boilers to help you decide which is the best fit for your home. Many homeowners struggle to choose between combi and system boilers, leading to confusion and potentially costly mistakes. When it comes to making a decision, it can be overwhelming with all the technical jargon and conflicting opinions out there. You might be thinking, what's the difference between these two boilers anyway? Or, will I be wasting my money on the wrong one? These are all valid concerns, and that's why we're here to break it down for you in simple terms. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of which boiler type is best suited for your home. Choosing the wrong boiler can be a costly mistake, not to mention the potential inconvenience and disruption to your daily routine. That's why it's essential to get it right the first time. With so many options available, it's no wonder homeowners are left scratching their heads. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's take a closer look at the key differences between combi and system boilers. A combi boiler, also known as a combination boiler, provides both central heating and hot water in one compact unit. On the other hand, a system boiler, also known as a sealed system boiler, has a separate hot water cylinder, but still provides central heating. Combi boilers are often more popular due to their space-saving design, but system boilers have their own set of benefits. When it comes to efficiency, both types of boilers have their own strengths and weaknesses. Combi boilers are great for smaller homes with fewer occupants, as they provide hot water on demand. However, they can struggle to meet the demands of larger families or homes with multiple bathrooms. System boilers, on the other hand, are better suited for larger homes, as they can provide a higher volume of hot water, but they do require more space for the additional hot water cylinder. The turning point comes when we discuss which boiler type is most cost-effective and energy efficient based on real-life scenarios. Let's consider a typical family of 4 living in a 3-bedroom home. In this scenario, a combi boiler might be the better choice, as it provides hot water on demand and is more energy efficient. However, if we're talking about a larger home with multiple bathrooms, a system boiler might be the way to go. It all depends on your specific needs and circumstances. In reality, the cost-effectiveness of each boiler type depends on various factors, including your heating habits, the size of your home, and the number of occupants. By considering these factors, you can make an informed decision that suits your lifestyle and budget. So, which boiler type comes out on top? Well, it's not a simple answer, as it really depends on your individual circumstances. In summary, both combi and system boilers have their benefits, but the right choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and home setup. By understanding the differences between these two boiler types, you'll be able to make an informed decision that suits your lifestyle and budget. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to check out our other videos on home heating solutions.